Under a national emergency, things can happen which otherwise couldn't happen, and normal council scrutiny can be bypassed under a thing called Class Q, particularly following a 2015 law. And Suella Braverman has invoked this national emergency over Braintree District Council's application to stop the Wethersfield airfield being used for the accommodation of asylum seekers. What she's trying to say is that there is a national emergency involving small boats, and that this therefore threatens serious damage to human welfare if decisions are not taken with speed. Well, of course, there is only a national emergency, even if it's defined in those terms. There is only a national emergency because Suella Braverman and previous Home Office Secretaries of State have failed to do their job, and the Home Office has been on a go slow since Theresa May invoked the hostile environment. So, yes, there may well be a national emergency. 51,000 people trapped in limbo because the Home Office has failed to process their applications. National emergency. But it is an extraordinary definition. When that national emergency, when the powers to deal with the national emergency, and when the person who calls the national emergency are all from the same section of government. It's utterly, utterly shocking. This is some sort of fantasy world, and national importance, national emergency, the necessity to do something as a matter of urgency, an influx of refugees. Well, I hope there's a suitable judge who can challenge this nonsense at its core, and not be bamboozled by the spectre of so many people in great need. Those people are in great need because of the stupidity and defiance of the ministerial leaders in the Home Office. I'm simply staggered by the level of deceit which the Home Office peddles. And I don't think it offers us, in the rest of the country, I don't think it offers us the level of security that we should expect from a senior office of state.